Marina, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So I am going to try and do a Halloween look. If this video is up, is obviously that things have worked out just fine, or I'm happy with the end result. As the title says, this is for Avon's Halloween makeup competition, which is a competition that they hold every year for reps. My account is still active, so I do count myself as eligible to enter this competition, but even if I'm not, this is an incentive and an excuse to play with makeup and get really creative and challenge myself, because Halloween looks are definitely not my forte. And before we start, I would love it if you'd subscribe. I do quite a bit of Avon content, but I also show other brands. It's basically my channel reflects the things that I love, and if you like what you see, then I would love it if you subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up at the end. Right, let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to start with primer. And then for foundation, I'm going to use a matte foundation. I think I pretty much used all of Avon foundations, or most of them so far in videos. I will link all the videos down below with which foundation you can see in them. So I'm going to use this foundation, and because I'm supposed to be dead, I'm going to mix it with some white eyeshadow. So I'm going to take the Extreme Play palette and use some of that eyeshadow. So the way I do it, I've got like an old mirror that I've recycled from an old eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna put some foundation on there, and then take one of these little things and scrape some white in there. And I know from previous experience that I do need quite a bit of white. I mean, I could have gone with like a lighter foundation, but I'm not going to buy a lighter foundation just for one look. Now I think what I want to do is dip my sponge into the white and kind of like go over sort of like a setting powder. Okay, now I'm going to start working on the eyes, so I'm going to use primer first. I'm now going to take black gel liner and then use it on all of my mobile lid. Got a Cityscape palette. I want to go into the black over here and put that down all over. Okay, I'm taking a fluffy brush and more black. I'll go back to it and add some more black if I need to. I'm going to take another fluffy brush, and then I'm going to go into the Sunset palette. And I am taking this shade right here. Now I'm gonna use it for my edges. Oh yeah. I think I'm going to add a little bit of that orange just to warm that up and make it look more like blood. I've definitely ended up a lot more down than I planned, but that's okay. Okay. I'm gonna take the Oh So Talky eyeliner. This one is in Fiery Red, I think. Yep, a fire red. This is the tricky bit because I'm gonna do veins. Right. Right, I'm gonna try and add a little bit of black. Oh, might be a bit too bright. I'll add some black with gel. Okay, let's do the brows. For the brows, I'm going to use an eyeliner in black, which is the Intense Khol Longwear eyeliner. I'm gonna do the contour now. So, City Escape palette again, and I'm gonna try using this shade first. We'll see how it works. Should I use a bit around my nose? I'm gonna try it. Right, lips. I think I'm going to go with a big gel paint pencil and blackout. I'm gonna give it a sharpen. The reason I'm using this one and not the same khol eyeliner is because this one glides on better because it's gel paint. And for lipstick, I have a sample of the Matte Legend lipstick in shade Legendary. I think I might have to add something else over it just to make it the right tone. Or maybe not. No, this will be alright. I'm just going to use an eyeliner pen to kind of like give my lips a sharp line. Yeah, it's not the sharpest there, but it will do. And I want to kind of like create the illusion of blood going down from my mouth. So for this part, I took more of that eyeshadow combination that I had on my eyes, the pinky red with the deep orange right under my lip, and then I took the Also Tokyo eyeliner to create the blood. And because I do want to create blood, I started tapping it in a little bit, as you see here. Well, some blood might be dried, so I might have to go in with some water. Okay, I think I'm happy. I'm going to do something with my hair and then come back. I don't have any wigs or anything like that, so it'll be just my natural hair. When I take pictures, I'll definitely put them on my Instagram, and I'll probably edit my hair color or something. There is my vampire look. I'm putting on my vampire voice. So anyway, I hope I've done well. I hope you enjoy this. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!